China has unleashed a game-changer in aerial warfare. Zhuqian, the world's first drone mothership capable of cruising at 50,000 feet, traveling over 4,000 miles, and unleashing a swarm of up to 100 AI-powered kamikaze drones. This massive unmanned aircraft, revealed in June 2025, blends high altitude, long endurance, and autonomous strike power all in one sleek package. Today, we'll break down how this cutting-edge UAV works, why it rewrites air combat strategy, and what global consequences it brings from triggering new arms races to ethical dilemmas in autonomous war. Fair. Let's dive into the future of drone-dominated skies. China has unleashed a game-changer in aerial warfare. Zhuqian, the world's first drone mothership capable of cruising at 50,000 feet, traveling over 4,000 miles, and unleashing a swarm of up to 100 AI-powered kamikaze drones. This massive unmanned aircraft, revealed in June 2025, blends high altitude, long endurance, and autonomous strike power all in one sleek package. Today, we'll break down how this cutting-edge UAV works, why it rewrites air combat strategy, and what global consequences it brings from triggering new arms races to ethical dilemmas in autonomous war. Fair. Let's dive into the future of drone-dominated skies. The drone carrier revolution. China's Zhuqian represents a radical leap in drone capability, combining range, altitude, payload, and AI-driven autonomy in unprecedented fashion. Developed by AVIC and Xi'an and unveiled at the Zhuhai Air Show, prototypes finalized in late 2024 are now undergoing flight testing. Chinese media confirm a maiden flight is expected soon. This is major. No similar platform, domestic or overseas, combines such long endurance, high altitude, and autonomous swarm launch. Onboard AI facilitates real-time coordination among drone swarms. These swarms autonomously scan, identify, evade, and strike strategic targets, no pilot required. Satellite connectivity enables global command and control capabilities. Compared to U.S. platforms like the Global Hawk surveillance-only and Reaper limited payload strike, Zhuqian offers all three: ISR, lethal swarming, and sustained presence. Essentially, it functions as a flying aircraft carrier, maintaining position above contested zones and directing AI-driven munitions from above. The revelations stand on multiple bullet points: 50,000 feet altitude, well beyond typical manned fighters. 4,000+ mile range enables theater-wide operations. Capacity for 100 kamikaze drones multiplies force projection. This combination amplifies mission opportunities and multiplies strategic impact. The sheer scale of Zhuqian's payload capacity and AI-driven orchestration marks it as a seismic shift, ushering in a new paradigm of distributed swarm warfare. The drone mothership model offers patrol endurance and strike flexibility, erasing the traditional limits of manned platforms and reshaping air dominance frameworks worldwide. Battlefield breakthrough by integrating swarms of autonomous drones with a high-altitude carrier. China isn't just upgrading drone tech, it's redefining battlefield dynamics. Zhuqian offers multiple strategic advantages. First, altitude advantage. At 50,000 feet, it flies above most air defenses and commercial routes. This height makes detection harder, response times slower, and enemy missile engagement less effective, enabling swarms to penetrate deeper into enemy airspace. Second, swarm saturation. With up to 100 AI loitering munitions, Zhuqian overwhelms defenses through sheer numbers. These drones autonomously adapt mid-mission scouting, retargeting, and adjusting overlays, overcoming static defense strategies. Swarm coordination maximizes coverage and impact while confusing interceptors. Third, AI autonomy and speed. Removing pilot speeds, reaction times, and minimizes human risk. AI algorithms evaluate threats, choose optimal attack paths, and coordinate swarms all autonomously. Decisions happen in milliseconds, reducing window for defenders to respond and raising mission success probability. Fourth, cost efficiency. Each loitering drone is cheaper than a manned jet. Losses can be absorbed at lower expense. This economic scalability makes deploying swarms realistic and sustainable. China's investment in UAV factories and AI software means massive tactical advantage at relatively low cost. Technologically, this pushes radar, EW, missile defense, and intercept tech to evolve. PSL systems must now track dozens at once and must counter AI. Defense planners worldwide need new doctrines. China's Jiutian also pressures adversaries into rapid innovation. The US MQ-9 delivers targeted strikes. Jiutian delivers coordinated annihilation across swarms. Response systems are already in development: drone interceptors, directed energy weapons, networked intelligence grids aimed at swarms. Still, challenges remain. At that altitude, its slower and radar-visible potential target for long-range SAM is command and control links risk jamming, but iterative testing and upgrades could minimize these weaknesses. In battlefield terms, Jiutian grants persistent overwatch, multi-mission capability surveillance, electronic warfare, decoys, and strike all from one unmanned node. It redefines concept of operations and forces accelerated defense adaptation globally. Global impact and risks. The rise of Jiutian reverberates far beyond China's borders. Its implications include intensified arms races, territorial defense shifts, and deep ethical concerns. First, arms race acceleration. Once China's mothership proves effective, nations like the US, Japan, India, South Korea, and even Europe will accelerate drone carrier and swarming AI systems. Sea-launched drone carriers like South Korea's HCX-23 and Iran's Shahed Bagheri are already being tested. Airborne platforms now demand equal attention and investment across defense budgets. Second, AI ethics and accountability. Deploying autonomous kamikaze drone swarms raises tough questions: who's responsible for mistakes, how to ensure civilian safety, without robust regulations. Rogue AI decisions could trigger accidental attacks and escalate conflicts. Jiutian makes the theoretical now manifest, pressing governments and international bodies to draft clear frameworks. Third, escalation of defense systems. Nations will need high-speed interceptors, directed energy weapons, swarm defense nets, and AI counter-AI architectures. Radar and jamming networks must evolve to handle dynamic, saturated swarms. Defensive doctrines will shift away from static interceptors to distributed, adaptive counter-swarm strategies. Fourth, regional security recalibrations. In Asia-Pacific, Taiwan and Japan already face threats from swarming tactics. Jiutian's capabilities will inflate urgency to build multi-layered missile and drone defenses collaboratively. Military partnerships and joint exercises may ramp up in response. Fifth, psychological and deterrence factors. A silent and manned weapon hovering invisibly, then suddenly deploying 100 drones. This impacts perception of vulnerability and tech prestige. China demonstrates a new form of deterrence: no human pilots at risk, yet a powerful strike capability exists. That narrative shapes global power dynamics. Finally, geopolitical balance. Jiutian underscores China's push for military modernization and strategic autonomy. As warfare becomes tech-centric, superiority may hinge more on AI and swarms than carriers or manned jets. This invites diplomacy, treaties, and norms to catch up fast, or risk automated warfare spiraling beyond control.